Hi everyone, welcome to the Ranger Shop. My name is Zach. In this channel, we're going to focus strictly on Ford Rangers. How to repair them, how to off-road them, modifying them, different things we could do that'll make them better, different swaps we can do for them. So I've been a mechanic for quite a few years, and this is my third Ford Ranger. I love them. They're great little trucks. You can buy them cheap. They're very capable off-road. The parts are cheap to fix them. There's a lot of different modifications you can do to them. Anyways, let me show you my Ranger. So here's my truck. It's a pretty clean 2002, especially for Ontario, Canada, with the salt. Usually rots the rockers out and stuff out of here, but there's no rust in there. I've got a cap on there. I put the cap on the top. Those roof racks on top of the cap are from a Ford Escape. Nice flat roof. Just bolted those in to my cap that I can carry my canoe for off-roading there. It's got a 3-inch body lift on it, and those tires are just under 33-inch tires. They're 285/75 16s. So they fit in there real nice. I've got an extra leaf that's going to be going in the back. I got a leaf pack that we're going to be doing a video about that with a block. We're going to lift a little bit. I already did a 2-inch lift in the front, and then I've gone through the whole thing. I did the front end, all the ball joints, all that sort of stuff, brakes in the back, brakes in the front, and all that stuff's posted. I'll post videos on the channel on how to do that sort of thing. I've still got the tensioners to do. So that's going to be the next project here. And then, like I said, the rear diff, I've got a 31 spline rear diff going in it. Right now it's the 28 spline 8.8. But I'd like to do some videos about what to look for when buying a Ranger. Like I said, this is my third Ranger, and I've been a Ford mechanic for quite a while. Also, how to read the VIN codes, that sort of thing, find out what you got. Inside, it's a standard. I swapped out the automatic and I put in the standard, 5-speed standard with a manual transfer case. I still need to put a shift knob on the top of that. It was gone. These bench seat came out of a 2012 Ford Ranger. Bolts right in, no problem. Just had to swap the pretensioners. Took the gauges out of an FX4 that was getting scrapped. Put in some new switches here. Bought those off of Amazon. I think they were only like 10 bucks. Cheap, very easy to do. Anyways, we're going to get some videos on the different projects for this, and also off-roading it, just so you can take care of your Ranger. I think they're great trucks. I really enjoy my Ranger, and I think if you pick one up or if you've got one, you'll really like it too. So follow along, subscribe, and let's get some of these projects done. Thanks for watching. You have a good day.